Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your English teacher. I am Shagufta Makbul. Please open this book of Junior English 1, page number 5. Today our topic is verb. But look at here student, what am I doing at this time? I am writing at this time. And I am talking to you at this time. I am speaking at this time. So we can say action words are called verb. Verbs are doing verb. Verbs are doing words. What are they doing at this time? So we will have to find and check what is this boy doing. This boy is trying to catch fish. The action that is doing at this boy is fishing. Fishing is a verb. Fishing. Fishing is a verb. What is this boy doing? Look at here. Look at this boy. This boy is sleeping, walking or talking at this time. This boy is sleeping. So we can say sleeping is a verb. What is this dog doing at this time? You are seeing the dog is jumping over the log. This is log, and this action jumping is showing this is an action. This is an action. So we can say jumping is a verb. What is this woman doing at this time? She is reading. At this time she is reading a book. Reading is an action. What is this girl doing at this time? This girl is eating apple. The action that is doing, she is eating. This girl is eating. Next one is, what is this man doing? This man is washing. Washing is an action. This man is washing car. So washing is an action. Okay students, I am going to tell you again. Action words are called verbs. These are actions. They are doing action. We can say sleeping, jumping. What is this cat doing? Drinking, reading. What is this boy doing? This boy is fishing. So eating. These are verbs. So we can say verbs are doing words. Action words are called verbs. Let's start our work. A part, write the word which fills each gap. The man is dash his car. What is this man doing? Look at this man. So you will have to fill the word. You will have to fill correct action. So I am writing here washing. 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 The boy is dash under the tree. Look at this boy. What is this boy doing at this time? This boy is sleeping. So we will write here sleeping. Sleeping is an action verb. Sleeping is a verb. Next one, the two boys are. What are these two boys are doing? These two boys are fishing. Fishing is verb. Fishing, FISHING. This is fishing. The girl is dash an apple. You will have to find the girl is. Look at what is this girl doing? She is eating. So we will write here eating is an action word. Eating. Next one is the woman is dash a book. What is this woman doing? Reading. Reading is a verb. Reading a book. The dog is dash over a log. This is log. What is this dog doing? The dog is jumping over a log. JUMPING. Jumping. You will write here jumping. Number 7 is the birds are dash. Where are birds? We will have to find where are birds. Look at Look at here. These are birds. What are these birds doing? They are flying. Flying is a verb. The birds are flying high. HFLYING. Flying high. The birds are flying high. Number 8. The cat is dash milk. Look at here. What is this cat doing? The cat is drinking at this time. This cat is drinking milk. So drinking is a verb. Okay students, we can say this: washing, sleeping, fishing, eating, reading, jumping, flying and drinking are called verbs. So students, you will have to complete part B that is given here. That part B is here. Add ing to each of these words. We will have to put ing. I am putting ing. This word is calling. I am putting ing. This word is drawing. Do ing, it's mean doing. Try ing, it's mean trying. Pull ing, pulling. See ing, seeing. Hear, hearing. But this is raining, singing, barking, barking, teaching, feeling, FEELING, feeling. After adding, we can say we can call these words calling, drawing, doing, trying, pulling, seeing, hearing, raining, singing, barking, teaching, feeling. These are our verbs. These are our action words are called verb. Okay students, today you will have to complete page number 5 of this book like this way. After doing this work, you will have to write part B in Notebook of English Grammar. After watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.